Are growing about privacy in the Chinese AI company Deepseek.
A moment for China. Deepseek says that they made this app in a matter of
direct links to servers and to companies in China and that are under control of the Chinese.
A Chinese AI app has suddenly shocked the entire tech industry. This AI model was trained at a fraction of the cost. Yet it's disrupting the way big companies, including American tech giants, do business. And behind this revolution, a rising Chinese startup, Deepseek. What's their secret? Well, a groundbreaking open source strategy and game-changing innovation. So, what's the story behind Deepseek? Deepseek, an artificial intelligence company, was founded in Hangzhou, China in July 2023. Fast forward to January 2025, they launched their AI app in the US market. And guess what? The moment it hit the market, it became the most downloaded free app on the Apple Store. Users were stunned. They said it wasn't just another chatbot, it felt more human-like, adding emotion and personality to responses. But Deepseek didn't stop there. On January 27th, they introduced something even bigger, Zhenus Pro 7B. This model, a game changer. Deepseek claims their image generation AI is better than OpenAI and Stability AI. Not only can it answer questions, it can also create stunning visual content. And now, Deepseek's AI assistant is making headlines across the world. The mastermind behind Deepseek, the man behind this revolution, Lian Wenfeng, a visionary entrepreneur from Hangzhou who self-funded Deepseek using his own hedge fund earnings. But here's where it gets really interesting. Lian launched Deepseek during a time of crisis. The US had banned advanced chip exports to China, making AI development nearly impossible. So, how did he do it? Lian played his cards right. He stockpiled Nvidia's older A100 chips before the ban. Then, by combining them with cheaper alternatives, he engineered an AI model that could rival the industry giants. This technique, known as test-time scaling, where low-cost components are optimized for high-performance AI. Even Nvidia itself admitted Deepseek is a brilliant example of innovation. Deepseek's AI model costs peanuts compared to US tech giants. The price tag, just $6 million. For context, American tech companies spend hundreds of millions developing similar AI models. Deepseek's success has left Silicon Valley shaken. And then, the unthinkable happened. After the launch of Zhenus Pro 7B on January 27, Nvidia's stock crashed by 17%. That's a $600 billion market wipeout, one of the biggest single-day stock crashes in US history. The AI world reacts. The industry was stunned. Sam Altman, founder of OpenAI, called Deepseek's model impressive, but hinted that OpenAI would be back with something even more advanced. Wei Sun from Counterpoint Research said Deepseek proved that low-cost AI can still be revolutionary. Professor Marina Zhang from the University of Sydney pointed out that the US chip export ban actually pushed Chinese startups to become even more innovative. Even Nvidia itself acknowledged, you don't always need the most expensive chips to build world-class AI. A wake-up call for the US tech industry. Deepseek's rise has even caught the attention of Donald Trump. The former US president called Deepseek's breakthrough a wake-up call for American tech giants. One thing is clear, the AI race is far from over, and Deepseek is just getting started. So the question is, will Deepseek challenge OpenAI in the future? Let us know in the comments.